This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV is switched to the HDMI input, where you'll plug the Fire TV stick. This makes sure you see the device during setup. Next, attach the stick to the HDMI port and plug the micro USB cable into the supplied power adapter. Use wall power to avoid intermittent reboots. Once done, power on the TV and place the remote batteries in correctly so the device and remote can pair without delays. You'll see pairing prompts immediately. Press the remote center/select button to confirm and watch for a pairing confirmation message so you know the remote controls the stick. Then, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Typing mistakes are the most common cause of failure, so the device can obtain an IP address. After the network connects, sign in with your Amazon account to enable purchases and app downloads. This step ties your content and settings to the stick. Once you sign in, allow the Fire TV stick to download and install any system updates. This ensures performance and security. Next, personalize display resolution and audio settings to match your TV so apps and menus look correct. Finally, install essential apps and test playback. If you don't see video or the device won't boot, make sure the HDMI connector is fully inserted, the included power adapter is used, and the TV input is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.